Automobile dealerships have come a long way, and Group Landmark is one of the most renowned names. Associated with numerous global brands, Group Landmark focuses to deliver only the best of all things.
This is why I am super excited today to be here at Benchmark Cars Surat, an authorized dealership for Mercedes-Benz passenger cars, to review the Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG. So let's check it out.
Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe is the perfect combination of practicality and performance. The exteriors look quite aggressive with those beautiful all-LED headlights, a bold grille with AMG badge, and smart-looking bumpers, all thanks to the special AMG kit because this is the AMG GLC 43. The side profile is where the real deal begins. It is a huge vehicle. My favorite is the sloping roof design of this beast. The AMG GLC 43 rides on 255/45 R20 and the alloy design is beautiful. The rear tires are slightly larger, 285/40 R20. There's bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the fender and also a footstep. The rear design is very neat. Tail lights are elegant and sport a full LED setup. There's also chrome lining on the top of the lights. On the left, you see the AMG badge, and on the right is the GLC 43 badge. Bumper gets reflectors, and there's quad exhaust on this car, along with a diffuser. Let's hop in to check out the interiors. The interiors too are as sport as the exteriors of the GLC 43. The huge touchscreen infotainment runs on the latest version of the MBUX software that goes leaps and bounds to deliver the best-in-class user interface. It comes heavily loaded with all the latest technology. There's also this handy 360-degree parking camera that makes parking a breeze. Mercedes-Benz offers the best ambient lighting out there. It can be seen in the GLC 43 as well.
This is the Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG. So it comes with the AMG pack for both interiors and exteriors. So you get these red stitching across the cabin, sporty red seat belts, my personal favorite, AMG spec flat bottom steering wheel, Alcantara finish on the seats and door pads, and I love the jet black theme because it's easier to maintain and also feels sporty. The GLC 43 AMG, being a sports SUV, does not compromise on luxury and practicality. There's great amount of headroom and ample of legroom on offer. Seats are soft and well contoured. They hold you well in place when your GLC 43 does its AMG things.
The presence of a wide sunroof further enhances the in-cabin experience of the Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe. This coupe SUV is big on practicality. It gets a humongous boot space that can gobble up all sorts of luggage on the go. The spare tire is neatly tucked underneath the boot to liberate more room for usage. Popping the hood open, and there lies the heart of this mighty coupe SUV. Time to see what this mighty coupe SUV feels like from behind the wheel. First thing you hear on the startup is the loud exhaust note. It gets you all excited and charged up. It has a very sharp throttle response, meaning as you put your foot down, the car will instantly and aggressively downshift and will pick up the pace like there's no tomorrow. You can hit some crazy speeds which will only be evident when you look at the speedometer. One thing I am addicted to are these pedals. You would just want to downshift and disappear. We are going to do the 0 to 100 test to see how it performs. I am switching it to Sport Plus mode. There we go. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 is powered by a 3-litre V6 making 390 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. Mercedes says it can do 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds, and we don't doubt it. The GLC 43 gets adaptive dampers and 20-inch wheels on the outside.
Also, it being an SUV, you expect some body roll.
But switch the car into sport mode and it becomes razor sharp in the corners. It almost goes like a sports car, it's that agile. Also, the clever 4MATIC system can send up to 69% of the power to the rear wheels, meaning you can switch off the ESC, TCS to have some sideways fun. Now talking about the daily driving, putting it into comfort mode, the dampers become soft, exhaust gets quiet, and it becomes a good daily driver. The steering wheel with its perforated finish is very grippy to hold. While parking, it's surprisingly light, and so your city drives are bound to be very comfortable and relaxing. But when you push hard, that's when you realize how nicely it has been calibrated. You get feel and feedback through the wheel, along with it weighing up well, which makes you want to push this vehicle into the corners even more. Going on some serious speeds in an SUV and bringing it to stop could be a challenge, but it's not when you are in an AMG. You press on the brake, it just stops right there. The brakes are that good. They inspire some next level confidence, to be honest, in which you will want to push the vehicle hard, knowing that during any emergency situation you will come to a halt without any drama.
The GLC 43 could be the practical sports SUV of India.
It looks hot because of the coupe body style, it goes fast and handles good for the weekend drive, and is also spacious and comfortable for the daily drive. Coupled with the high ground clearance, you can take it practically anywhere without worrying. Also, due to it being a CKD unit, it's priced aggressively, and this car just shoots up in the buying list because it simply ticks all the boxes which one would want. To take a test drive, visit nearest Landmark Group Mercedes-Benz showroom.